Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn some examples related to parallax methods. In last video lecture we have seen the parallax method. Now some examples related to parallax method. Before we start some example, let me know the relation, means conversion between radian to degree. Conversion between radian to degree, degree to radian, degree to minute and minute to second. So first conversion. Conversion 1 degree. Now 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Now first of all we will discuss about the radian. Means we know that whenever we are completing a unit circle, means starting from point A and going in this direction, at point A 2 pi radian, 2 pi radian, or we can say 2 pi means starting from point A and again reach at point A, means one complete revolution, means 360 degree. 360 degree. Whenever we are completing one revolution, that is 360 degree. Means the relation between radian and degree, the relation between radian and degree, 2 pi radian, which is equal to 360 degree. Now so I can write here the first conversion, 2 pi radian, 2 pi radian, which is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Therefore pi radian is equal to 2 moves right hand side, 360 divided by 2, 360 divided by 2, 360 degree divided by 2, means pi radian is equal to 360 by 2, 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Therefore now pi moves right hand side, means 180 by pi. Radian is equal to 180 by pi degree, means here I can write 1 into radian, means radian. 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree. Now first relation. Now second, do cross multiply. Pi divided by 180. Therefore pi divided by 180 radian as it is equal to 1 degree. Relation between degree and radian. Relation between radian and degree. 1 radian, which is equal to 180 by pi degree. Here circle represent degree, and pi by 180 radian is equal to 1 degree, or we can say 1 degree, which is equal to pi by 180, or both are same. 1 degree, which is equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to most important result. One degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, and 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree, and the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Sorry, 14. Value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now, some more relation. Some more relation. 1 degree is equal to 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 60 minute. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Therefore, 1 minute, which is equal to 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 60 moves left hand side. 60 moves left hand side 1 by 60. 1 as it is. One 60 moves left hand side, 1 divided by 60 degree is equal to 1 minute. Therefore, 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. Most important result. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. Now, second relation. Third one, 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second, and 1 divided by 60. 60 moves left hand side, 1 by 60 is equal to 1 second. One double comma is represented second. 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Therefore, 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute. Now, last relation, fourth one. 1 degree is equal to 60 second, and 1 degree is equal to 60 into 60 second, and 1 second is equal to 1 divided by 60 into 60 degree means 1 second is equal to 60 into 60 means 3600 degree. Same way here 1 degree is equal to 60 into 60 3600 second. 1 degree 3600 second and 1 second 1 by 3600 degree. So all relation most important for solving the examples related to parallax method. First one, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Second, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Third one, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. And 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute. 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute. And 1 minute is equal to 60 second. And last 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 degree. And 1 degree is equal to 3600 second. 1 second 1 by 3600 degree. And 1 degree is equal to 3600 second. So relation between radian and degree. Relation between degree and radian. Here relation between degree and minute. Relation between minute and degree. Relation between minute and second. Relation between second and minute. Here relation between second and degree, and relation between degree and second. Understand? Now we will move some examples that is given in NCERT textbook. Before we start the examples, dear friends, please take a screenshot and you can write easily. Most valuable result, most valuable conversions for us, for examination point of view. Next, example number 2.1 given in your NCERT textbook. Example number 2.1, that is your self practice. You can do yourself. Example number 2.2 given in your NCERT textbook. A man wishes to estimate the distance of a nearby tower from him. He stands at a point A in front of the tower. Means here a tower point. A man wishes to estimate the distance of nearby tower from him. He stands at a point A. Man stands at point A. At point A means man stands at point A. In front of the tower. He stands in front of the tower. Tower at point C. C and spots a very distant object O in line with AC. very distant object means a object is very far distant, distant object, that is O. Object, O means object. And C spots a very distant object O in line with AC, distant object. A man then walks perpendicular. Walks perpendicular means perpendicular to AC, means man moves in this direction. Up to B. Man moves in this direction and up to point B. Here point B. Reaches point B. A man starts to walk in perpendicular to the AC and reaches at point B. At point B. A distance of 100 meter. A man start walking from A and reaches B. Means the distance between A to B. A man cover the distance from A to B, that is 100 meter given. 100 meter. Distance A to B, 100 meter given. And looks at O. When a man reaches at point B, whenever a man reaches at point B, he looks at distant object. Means are diametrically two opposite points of A and B. Diametrically two opposite points. First man observes from A and after that observes from B, a distant object. Understand? समझ में आया? पैरेलैक्स मेथड का हम यूज करने हैं. पैरेलैक्स मेथड हमें क्या सजेस्ट करती है? बहुत फार डिस्टेंस के लिए we are using parallax method. In parallax method, two diametrically opposite points. Same way here, point A and point B. First of all, a man observes from A, and after that, man observes from B. Means two diametrically opposite point A and B. A very far distance at object O. A man observes object O. The direction BO is perpendicular. The direction BO is practically the same as AO. Means distant O to A and O to B, both distance are equal. O to A and O to B, because both are diametrically opposite point. Parallax method suggests us both are must be equal. O to A and O to B. Here already given in question, distance from O to A and distance from O to B, both are equal distance. But he finds the line of sight of C shifted from the original line. Line of sight C. A man reaches at point B. He observes the tower. He observed that is shifted when he stand in front of the tower. At that time A, he observed from A tower exactly in front of the man. After that, man starting A to B covers the distance A to B, and a man observes distance from B. अब कहाँ से डिस्टेंस A to B डिस्टेंस है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैन अ पर्सन मीन्स अ पर्सन ने क्या देखा? ए से देखा टावर को, अब बी से टावर को देख रहा है. तो ए से टावर को देखेगा तो बी से देखेगा तो एंगल में क्या डिफरेंस आएगा? तो यही बात यहीं पे बोली गई है कि फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल लाइन ऑफ साइट बाय एंगल, एंगल मीन्स हियर एंगल सस्टेन्ड बाय एंगल, angle here theta and here again theta, because O2A and O2B both are equal. Now estimate the distance of the tower C from its original position A. So here I can find the distance from A to C, distance from A to C, find distance from A to C. Now here we are using parallax method. Parallax method means for very far distance we are using parallax method. Here angle sustained at C, that is theta, angle that is theta. If we are observing from very far distance, for very far distance, here we are using trigonometric. In trigonometric function, that is tan theta. When angle is very far, we are viewing from distance, that is very far distance. Whenever we are observing from, viewing from very far distance, at that time we are using tan theta. समझ में आया? जब हम बहुत बड़े डिस्टेंस से कोई टावर को, कोई हाइट को देखेंगे तो उसके लिए हमें टेन थीटा ही यूज़ करना है। टेन थीटा क्यों? क्योंकि स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल बनता है वहाँ पे, स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल, इसलिए। तो हमें बी से ऑब्जर्व करना है, बी से सी तक का हमें डिस्टेंस पता नहीं है, इसलिए हमें क्या करना है कि ये एंगल थीटा, थीटा मीन्स ये हमें टेन थीटा लेना है। तो टेन थीटा, यार टेन थीटा, टेन थीटा विच इज वाई वी आर टेकिंग टेन थीटा हियर इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा विच इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू टेन थीटा। टेन थीटा, टेन थीटा इज इक्वल टू, टेन थीटा मीन्स opposite by hypotenuse, here opposite angle AB, opposite angle AB divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. So here we want to find the distance from A to C. हमें इस एग्जाम्पल में बोला गया है कि find the distance, find the height of the tower from A to C, distance from A to C, A to C तक का हमें distance find करना है। So at C, AC subject, AC is equal to AB divided by tan theta. Theta given, theta is equal to 40 degree. Theta is equal to 40 degree when A to B, AB which is equal to 100 meter. Therefore AC is equal to AB, AB means 100 divided by tan 40 degree. Find the value of tan 40 degree with the help of logarithm. logarithm से हम tan 40 की वैल्यू 0.8391 क्या आएगी? 100 डिवाइड बाय 0.8391, 0.8391, 100 डिवाइड बाय 0.8391 करेंगे तो डिस्टेंस क्या मिलेगा? 119, that is given in your textbook, approximately 119 meter. Means distance from A to C, that is 119 meter. Understand? Again repeat. At point C, at point C tower, at point A, a man means a person, a man stands at point A in front of the tower. a man stands person, a man stands up front of the tower. Now a man starts covering the distance from perpendicular to the tower, perpendicular to AC, means he walks in this direction and reaches at point B. Distance A to B given. Now first, when observe a distant object O from A, after that he observe distant object from B, means here two diametrically opposite points are given, A and B. A and B. Now whenever a man stands at A, he observe the tower, and now he stands at B, observe the tower, angle slightly different, means angle theta is equal to 40 degree. Here angle is 0. Now find the distance from A to C. So we are using here parallax method, tan theta, concept of parallax method after trigonometry. Trigonometry suggests us tan theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite means theta, AB, opposite AB, and hypotenuse AC. Therefore AC subject, AC is equal to AB by tan theta, AC is equal to 100 by tan 40 degree, and AC is equal to 100 by 0.8391. Tan 40, value of tan 40 is equal to 0.8391. tan 40, value of tan 40 कैसे हम देखेंगे? तो लॉगरिथम से। लॉगरिथम में tan का जो टेबल दिया हुआ है उसमें आप 10 में जाओ और 40 डिग्री में जाओगे तो 0.8391 हमें वैल्यू लेगी। तो डायरेक्टली हमें एग्ज़ाम में ये वैल्यू डियर फ्रेंड्स ऑलरेडी दे दी जाएगी, क्योंकि tan 40 की वैल्यू सभी को याद नहीं रहेगी, इसलिए एग्ज़ाम में ये वैल्यू ऑलरेडी दे दी जाएगी। अगर वैल्यू नहीं देंगे तो हमें लॉगरिथम का जो टेबल है वो हमको दे देंगे। tan का जो टेबल है वो हमें एग्ज़ाम में दिया जाएगा। उस टेबल से हम इजीली tan 40 की वैल्यू क्या करेंगे? फाइंड कर सकेंगे। सो tan 40 इज इक्वल टू 0.8391, 100 डिवाइड बाई 0.8391, AC इज इक्वल टू 119 मीटर, A to C इज इक्वल टू 119 मीटर। एग्जाम्पल 2.2 given in your NCERT textbook. Okay. Next examples, that is 2.3. Example number 2.3. The moon is observed from the two diametrically opposite points. Example 2.3. 2.3. Example 2.3. Moon is observed from here. Moon. Observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on the surface of the earth. Surface of the earth. Two diametrically opposite point. Here point A and here point B. Two diametrically opposite point A and B. The angle theta sustained at the moon. Angle theta sustained at the moon. By two direction of observation, value of theta is equal to 1 degree and 54 minute. 1 degree and 54 minute. Given the diameter of the earth, B means diameter AB given, area of B, A to B, which is equal to 1.276 into 10 power 7 meter. Compute the distance of the moon from the earth. Compute the distance of the moon from A to moon and B to moon. कैपिटल D. तो ये डिस्टेंस हमें फाइंड करना है. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम मून टू surface of the earth from point A or from D to moon to B. Both are equal. So कोई भी एग्जाम्पल एग्जाम में दिया गया हो, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम दिया गया हो, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल read the example carefully, then find which method we can apply. कौन सी मेथड इस एग्जाम्पल में हम यूज कर सकते हैं, which method we are using this method, then we are just observe the picture. Understood? एग्जाम में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हमें सॉल्व करना हो तो पहले हमें 2 से 3 बार उनको केयरफुली रीड करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद कौन से चैप्टर का है, कौन सी थियरी हमें अप्लाई करनी है वो देखना पड़ता है. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, एक पिक्चर बनाना है. अगर उस एग्जाम्पल से थ्रू हम कोई पिक्चर बना सके तो एग्जाम्पल 2.3 गिवन इन योर NCERT टेक्स्ट बुक, तो हमने क्या किया, तो पिक्चर बना दिया. तो पिक्चर से फ्रॉम द फिगर आई कैन से दैट इजीली इन दिस एग्जाम्पल वी आर अप्लाइंग अ पैरेलैक्स मेथड. पैरेलैक्स मेथड में क्या होता है, वेरी फार डिस्टेंस, बहुत बड़े डिस्टेंस के लिए हमें मेजरमेंट के लिए क्या करेंगे, हम पैरेलैक्स मेथड का यूज़ करते हैं. और अप्रोक्सीमेट मेथड है, एग्जैक्ट मेथड नहीं है, फिर भी कन्वीनियंट है, यूज़ करते हैं हम. Two diametrically opposite points there are given, point A and point B. Two opposite points are given. Distance from point A to moon and distance from B to moon both are equal. So find distance from A to moon. So parallax angle, theta is the parallax angle. Theta, value of theta is equal to 1 degree 54 minute. 1 degree 54 minute. We know that 1 degree is equal to 1 degree is equal to, we know that 1 degree is equal to how much minute? 60 minute. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute means theta. Now theta is equal to 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 60 plus 54 minute. Therefore theta is equal to 60 plus 54 means 4 minute. Now convert minute to radian. Conversion from minute to radian. Minute to radian. One minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to, before starting the lecture, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. 1 by 60 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree, and 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree, and pi radian is equal to 360 by 2, 180, and 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. 1 minute is equal to how much radian? So first of all, we are converting minute into degree. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. Then 114 minute. Then 114 minute is equal to how much degree? Do cross multiply. 114 into 1 by 60. That is our answer in degree. Then theta is equal to 114. In our NCERT textbook, theta is equal to 114 minute. 114 minute into 60, answer in second. And 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 6 radian. Therefore theta is equal to 114 into 60, and 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. Therefore theta is equal to 3.32 into 10 power minus 2 radian. 114 minute. How we can convert minute into second? To multiply by 60. Means 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So multiply by second. 114 into 60 means conversion from minute to second. Multiply by 60. मिनट को सेकंड में कैसे कन्वर्जन करेंगे हम? तो by multiplying 60 we can easily convert a minute into second. 114 into 60. Now convert second into radian. So 1 second is equal to 4.85. 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. Multiply 114 into 60 into 4.85, 3.32 into 10 power minus 2 radian. 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. Now angle theta, that is parallax angle, and diameter of the earth 1.276 into 10 power 7 meter given by parallax method. by parallax method. Angle is equal to arc by radius. Theta is equal to arc means B by capital D. Find value of D. D is equal to B by theta. Therefore D is equal to B. B is equal to 1.276 into 10 power 7 divided by theta, 3.32 into 10 power minus 2. Therefore D is equal to 1.276 divided by 3.32 into 10 power minus 2. 10 power 7, 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 moves in numerator, means 10 power plus 2, 10 power 9. Answer is 3.84. 10 power 8 meter. Final answer is 3.84 into 10 power 8 meter. Means distance from surface of the earth to the moon is 3.84 into 10 power 8 meter. Hello friends, please check the relation between 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. Relation between 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. Check the relation. One degree is equal to 3600 second, and 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 degree, and 1 degree is equal to 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 into 1 degree is equal to 1 degree is equal to 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, multiply by pi by 180. Therefore 1 second is equal to, our answer is 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. Dear friends, please check the result. 1 degree is equal to 3600 second. 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 degree, and 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Now 1 second is equal to, answer comes in radian, that is 4.85 into 10 power minus 6. Check yourself that answer. In this way we can convert 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. Example 2.4. Example 2.4 we will see in next video lecture. Thank you.